Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sabrina. Today's video is a little different. I wanted to come on, guys, I have a wig cap on right now. I wanted to come on and style this wig, this pretty wig that I got. I know it looks really rough. That's the whole point. I'm going to show you how I style it and, you know, bring it back to life. I wore it a couple days ago and it got like super frizzy and knotted up. So I'm just going to show you how I detangle it, you know, get it back together basically. So this wig is from Nadula. I got it actually on Amazon. It's 24 inches curly, Brazilian curly, 24 inches. It's a frontal and yeah, it's in a natural black color. It looks kind of short because I cut it a little, so technically it's not 24 inches anymore. Maybe it's like 22, but it's still pretty long. So I'm just gonna put it right on and let's get into the video. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly show you how the wig came. It came in the typical Nadula box. I also got some free eyelashes with it. It came with this little paper that showed you how to clean it, how to take care of it, all that type of stuff. It also came with a little hairnet on it, and it was protected, and as you can see, the curls were very uniformed-ish, but once you brush it out and like wash it, the curls are like completely different. Okay, so I just have my hair in like some braids. I was so surprised that this fit my head so good because usually wigs are so tight for me, but this was actually a little bit loose. I actually used the tightener strap thingies in the back. Usually I don't even hook them because my head is so big, but this fit me perfect. So if you have a big head like me, do not worry. So I'm just gonna literally just put it on. I know it looks crazy, guys. I know it looks crazy. And my hair just got caught in the straps. Of course it did. Hold on, I have a mirror right here. I need the mirror. Ooh, sorry about that. Okay, I have a mirror right here. This wig comes with baby hairs. It comes with all that. I didn't really customize it that good because I didn't really care to have it looking perfect and 100% natural, because this is not something I'll be wearing like for weeks on end, you know what I mean? This is something maybe one day I'll just wear it for a couple hours, that type of thing. As you can see, this is super knotted up and like frizzy, but it still looks pretty, you know? And I like the big hair look, so yeah. How it looks from the back. Ooh! Let me show you how it looks kind of up front. I'm not even gonna glue it down today, simply because I don't feel like it. So guys, you're gonna need 3 things: water, conditioner or a product of your choice, and a brush. So basically 2 sections on each side. That makes sense. Ugh, come on. And I'm just gonna spray it and start combing it out. Whew. Guys, my whole room is about to get wet. Guys, this hair is so pretty when it's wet though, honestly. I didn't even put conditioner in it. I want to show you how like nice it combs out. You see that? No huge knots, no huge tangles, just nice and easy, and the curls are pretty too. This hair, I didn't like soak in wet. I just made it a little damp because I don't want it to be too wet. No shedding, nothing. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take the other half. Put the other half. Like so. Let me get my brush. Guys, I'm looking in the mirror that's on the right hand of me, so that's why I'm looking over there. Look how pretty this hair is. Do you guys see this? And it's so full. It's so pretty. Okay. Just like that. Ooh, wait, put this back on. And then the last part. So basically it looks like this. As I said, I cut it, so it was even longer than this. So the baby hairs are all dried and gelled up from when I wore it last time, so we're just gonna ignore that and do this section completely left. Okay, so basically the next thing you want to do is put a little bit of moisturizer in. This is just, guys, my favorite conditioner fell in the garbage this morning. It fell in the toilet this morning and I had to throw it out in the garbage, so I'm just using this can too. It's like this much for each side. I'm just gonna put it towards the end and then should separate my hair in two. So put some on the roots because y'all know how the roots be looking. So pretty. And now I'm just gonna put a little bit on the other side, like so. Comb it in. Guys, do you see those curls? So pretty. And that's all I would do. I don't put a lot of product in because I want it to dry and get big. So this is how it's looking so far. Let me show you the back. And then now I'm gonna, so I just got a little bit of conditioner. Okay, let's see. I just put it like on the front edges, whatever. Ooh. You see this? And sometimes I blend my actual baby hairs with it because my actual baby hairs look just like this. These are my, let me just lift this up. My actual baby hairs, I just kind of put a little bit out and it just kind of blends the whole thing together like that, like so. Nothing crazy. And then if I want to, sometimes I tuck it behind like that just because I like it like that. Pretty. Look at these curls though. Let me give you like a close up of the curl pattern. See, that's literally all there is. And then of course, let me get my foundation. Of course, if you really want it to look crazy, you get like a powder that matches your skin tone, and then you know, put it on your part to make it more natural or whatever. But you get it. You get it. And honestly, guys, this is how quick and easy it is. Like, it's so pretty. And then at the end of the day, I don't have to worry about trying to melt this glue off. I just take it off. Just take it off and go to sleep. I'm gonna cut a little more off, as you can see. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. This was my quick and easy tutorial. I hope you learned some things. I will link the hair in the description box. I'll link everything in the description box. It took like maybe 5 days to come or something like that. It was about $200, somewhere around there. But that's because I got the longest length. So, you know, if you get a shorter length, obviously it'll be cheaper. And yeah, that is really about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll talk to you next time. There's a other video coming up this weekend, so stay tuned. Bye.